What's going on, guys? I wanted to make a quick deal highlight video. The Dewalt DWS779, this is the miter saw that we've been talking about quite a bit on the channel lately, is on sale on Amazon for $350. So I'll post a link down in the video description if you guys want to reference this page. It'll be down below. $350. Now, this is the DWS779. So it's a 12-inch sliding miter saw. It can cut 2x14-inch lumber at 90 degrees and 2x12-inch lumber at 45 degrees. So a very capable saw, and DeWalt makes one heck of a miter saw for the price. And at $350, I mean, that's an amazing value for what you're getting. But keep in mind, this is the DWS779, so it does not have the light above the blade that shines the cut line. All right, if that's something that you want, you have to upgrade to the DWS780, which is the exact same saw as the 779, but it has that light above the blade. This saw is currently not on sale and not on Home Depot or Lowe's. I have not seen it on sale anywhere. It is $599 currently. So you're spending an extra $250 just to get that light above the blade, which is pretty expensive. So this DWS 780, the lowest I've seen it go on sale is $499. So you have to decide if that $150 is worth that light above the blade. It just kind of depends on who you are and if you like that feature or not. But either way, the DWS 779 at $350 is a great deal. So especially through Amazon, I like to order tools through Amazon because I like it shipped. I don't like to have to go pick it up. So it just wastes my time. So just want to highlight this deal. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, link will be in the video description. Hope you all are having a great day. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one.